Super quick, just 3 easy steps. First, fill the ice reservoir to the top. Second, pick your favorite ingredients. Use our Margaritaville mix and spirits or your favorite flavors. It's all up to you. Finally, place it on the base and press the button to watch it go. The frozen concoction maker Bahamas is pre-programmed to shape exactly the right amount of ice to make a full pitcher of frozen drinks. In just seconds, you have perfect frozen margaritas. It's as simple as that. Bahamas makes 36 ounces of perfectly blended, restaurant-quality frozen drinks. Before you know it, you'll have a delicious frozen concoction in everybody's hand, including your own. And just in case you want to add a personal touch, the manual shave-only, blend-only control allows you to add a little more ice or blend a little longer, so you can create your own frozen concoctions just the way you and your guests like them. And you'll never lose that perfect restaurant-style consistency. The frozen concoction maker Bahamas continuously drains away all melting water, so the water ends up in the reservoir, not in your drink. Every drink is as thick and icy as it should be. Your last pitcher will be just as tasty as the first. You never know when friends will drop by. With the Margaritaville Frozen Concoction Maker Bahamas, you're ready to escape to paradise anytime.